Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. H again. Today, we will learn the measures of central tendency. That includes the mean, the median, and the mode. First, let's take a look at some important information about what measure of central tendency is. It's actually a single value that describes a dataset by identifying the central position within that set of data. So there are three different measures of central tendency. The first one is the mean, or what we call the average. So the formula in finding the mean or the average is mean equals to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus all the way to x sub n divided by n. This tells us that we need to add the different scores or the given data divided by the total number of scores, and we'll get the average. The second measure of central tendency is the median, or what we call the middle score. In order to find the median, there's one thing that we need to do, which is to make sure that the data or the scores are arranged in order. The third one is the mode. This is the number or the score that is mostly repeated in the given dataset. Let us answer an example. Example 1. The data below shows the final math grades of 5 students in Mr. Tony's class. So the scores are 88, 91, 75, 78, 84. Identify the mean, the median, and the mode of the dataset. Alright, so let's begin with identifying the mean or the average. So in order for us to find the mean, we need to add all the given scores. So we have 88 plus 91 plus 75 plus 78 plus 84 divided by the total number of scores. So there are 5 scores given. So adding all the scores will give us 416 divided by 5. That is going to be 83.2. So the average of the given dataset is 83.2. That's the mean value. Now, for the mean, you don't necessarily need to arrange the scores. You can just simply get the sum of them right away and divide it by the total number of scores. Next, the median. So you've just learned that in order to find the median, you need to arrange the given scores or data first before we can identify the median. So we were given the 5 grades or numbers right here. We need to make sure to arrange them in order. So arranging them in order, it's up to you if you want to go from highest to lowest or lowest to highest, as long as they are arranged in order. So we can go from the lowest score to highest score. So the lowest score is 75. followed by 78, next to 78 is 84, followed by 88, and the highest is 91. Now, after arranging the numbers or the data, then we just simply identify the middle score. So we were given 5 different numbers. So technically the middle number is this one. It's 84. So you have 2 values on the left and 2 values on the right of the median, which is 84. So there will be cases when the given data set is an odd numbered data set. So like this one. So in this case, since this is an odd numbered data set, it's easy to identify the median. However, there are cases when the number of values given are actually even. So that means that the middle value or the middle numbers will be 2. And if that happens, so if you have 2 numbers in the middle, you just get the average of those 2 numbers, and that will be your median. So later we will be answering one example involving that case. All right, so for this given data set, the median is 84. And now for the mode. So we learned that the mode is the most repeated values or value in the given data set. So if you take a look at the given grades or scores, we notice that nothing or no values are repeated, correct? So for this given example, we can say that there's no mode. There is no mode for the given data set. Yeah. All right. Let's move on to the second example. Example number 2. The ages of 6 children in a family are 3, 3, 5, 8, 11, and 18. Identify the mean, the median, and the mode of the dataset. You can pause the video and try to answer this question. Okay, so to identify the mean, we simply add the given values. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 18 divided by the total number of values given, which is 6. So adding together all the numbers will actually give us 48. Divided by 6, which is 8. So the mean or the average is 8. And now for the median. So if you notice, the given numbers or values are actually arranged in order already. So we have 3, 3, 5, 8, 11, and 18. So since the values or the data values are already arranged in order, so we can identify straight away what the median is. But then in this case, since there are 6 data values given, definitely we're looking at these two numbers in the middle, which are actually 5 and 8. Now, you cannot give out two numbers for median. There must always be one median value. That's why it's called the middle score. So there's only going to be one in the middle. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to get the average of these two values right here. So to identify the median of this data set, so we need to do 5 plus 8 divided by 2 to get the average. So 5 plus 8 is 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5. So the median is 6.5. And for the mode, so look at the given data set, and it's very obvious that the mode is 3. So number 3 is the number that's mostly repeated in the given data set. So mode is 3. All right. For your challenge, please grab your pen and paper and answer this question. Identify the mean, the median, and the mode of the given set of data. So once you have your answer, please remember to share your insights by leaving a comment below, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching.